Sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit as well as these fabulous headbands. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Bleds. That is an Amazon brand. They sent out these fabulous headbands for us to try today, so I will be trying them on and showing you guys how they look. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me radar. The only special one for me.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen me try on all those headbands as well as this unit, I wanted to come and tell you guys how I feel about both of them. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Out of all of them, my favorite one was this one. The reason why I didn't wear it, I guess I could have worn it with this because I'm wearing something like a nude tube top, but the reason why I chose this one is because I love the material. It's like a silk like material, and I love the colors on here. They're very vibrant, very different from what I normally do. Like I would normally do something like this color because it's more neutral. I love neutral colors, like, but I really do like this one because, like I said, the material, everything. And these headbands are really nice quality. You don't have to worry about them like ripping or tearing or anything like that. So I did want to let you guys know that this is how the back looks. So it is like one of the skinnier bands, which means that you will be limited like if you're wearing this headband method and you're not wearing your real hair out, because you definitely could wear these with your real hair as well. If you're not wearing your real hair out, you will not be able to like pull your wig up into a ponytail because of the simple fact that this is very skinny back here. However, I really do like it because it's stretchy. So if you have a larger size head like myself, you don't have to worry about the headband fitting too tight and not fitting like around your head as well as your wig. So I really do like the quality on these headbands, and definitely check them out. They do also have other options. This is the one that they just chose to send to me. So yeah, shout out to you guys again for sponsoring this video. But overall, I think that these headbands are really cute. I'll definitely have a link to where you can purchase these down in the description box below. So now let's go ahead and move on to this unit. So this unit is not new to YouTube at all. This is the Outre Dominican Blowout Relaxed. I am probably like one of the last wig gurus to try this out. I felt like it was a little bit overhyped at the time, and that's why I did not try it out. And also I believe at the time like I was more so into the like the full wigs and everything, so that's why I didn't give this one a try because like I said, number one, I felt like it was way overhyped. You know how units are when they're way overhyped. Like sometimes you're just like, you know what, sis, like I'm not even gonna go there. But I decided to try it out, especially because of this half wig or this headband trend that we have going on, and I felt like it would be a good protective style for me where I don't have to apply heat to my hair, and I could still make it work. So this style is very, very cute. I really do like it. I feel like you definitely can curl it over again too if you needed to make your style last. And I feel like this is one that would definitely last. I don't know how much it would last if you wear it every day, because I personally don't wear any wig every day. Like I have to really love a wig to wear every day. You guys know I switch it. But I feel like if you wore it and you took care of it, it would last you quite some time, maybe about 2 weeks. And that's if you care for it properly, and that is just, you know, my hypothesis on that. But yeah, this style is really, really cute. I love the curls. I feel like they look really, really cute and elegant, and also at the same time I feel like it can be everyday-esque. Now as far as the texture of the hair, I feel like when people were reviewing it, I felt like they like made it seem like it was a little bit more texture, and these are just the people that I watched maybe about 2 people that I have no idea, like I've never seen their videos before. It's not like my wig sisters that I have watched before. It was 2 people that I just randomly clicked on their video, and I feel like they made it seem like this was a lot more kinkier than it is. And I personally don't like, I feel like it's a very teensy bit of yucky, which was very disappointing because like I said, blowout vibes for me like is a little bit more of a texture type of unit for me. So yeah, that was kind of disappointing, but however, it's still a cute unit. Like I do not regret picking this one up because it's really cute, but I feel like the expectation of it being like something that's more kinky, I don't see that. But if you're gonna wear it like this, it doesn't matter anyways, and that's why I'm like, okay, it doesn't matter because of the way that I'm wearing it. Like it blends on my hair regardless. But I don't know, like that was kind of a letdown. So as far as the curls are really cute. I love how it holds like a really cute curl, and how you can brush it and it'll bounce back and just look really cute. Now as far as the shedding and tangling, girl, overall I think it's a cute style, especially with the headbands and everything. I feel like these headbands really step this unit up a notch, so definitely make sure you guys check out the headbands. I'll have a link down in the description box below, and I'll also have a link listed to this unit as well in case you fabulous divas are interested. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.